fucking way! Oh, it's hitting Esther as well! It's hitting Esther as well! We've got another one! I don't know what to do because no one's going to believe this pack opening! This is literally 10 minutes after getting 2 monster juices. Where's my controller? That's 4.
You work out. Damn. Yeah. Fucking yes, bro. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. Oh many flipping bro. Oh my god. No, you're too nice to get no. No. Let me put my shirt on. I don't want to scare the viewers. Yes! Finally! My voice is gone. But
Finally! Please be blue. Blue flare! Yes! Yes! Let's go! We got one! Yes! 95 fucking minutes! Issue with the store? No, don't tell me the servers are down. No, we're in. And it's a walkout. Okay, I'm gonna do a no reaction. Oh, fucking, I can't do it. What? How am I supposed to do no reaction? We get another legend. Is that Maldini? No, it's not. Who the hell is that? Nesta. He's 90 rated. I was trying to do no reaction, but I can't. We got another legend. All right, send him to the transfer list. We haven't got any time to waste. More packs. Wait, who's this? Come on. It's something good. Massive flare. And it's an inform. It's an inform walkout. Argentina. I know who it is. It's Higuain. He's like 91 rated. That's a sick pull. His card's insane. Wait, how much is he worth? Larson. Is it Larson? I think it's Larson. Yes. Oh my god. We've got 2 legends in the same pack opening. My African tribal stick worked. What? I mean, it's not as good as Puyol, but that's our second legend. Oh shit. Wait, where's my controller? Oh, here. Jesus Christ. And the cracks began to show. Walk out. Yes, please. Be something decent. Oh my god. Oh my god. Began to show. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yes! What the fuck? Oh my god! Oh my god! No! What do I do? What do I do?
Cioè, se mi fate pure un'informa così a random, piccolino, sarei stracontentissimo. Oh! Non ci credo! No, raga, ma che no, raga! Ho trovato una leggenda subito! No, raga, non ci credo! Non è possibile! Raga, non è possibile! Non ci credo! Non ci credo! Del Piero Legend subito! Non ci credo, raga! Oddio! Raga, nei pacchetti da 7500! Non ci credo! Del Piero Legend! Raga, non ci credo del Piero Legend! Non ci credo, ragazzi!